Hi! Good morning everyone. Ito na ako, mga guys, mga friend. Ito ang paulan-ulan ko. Ang dami kong paulan-ulan ngayon. Ayuda mula sa mga kandidato. Hi! Ang mga kandidato, hindi man nagbigay ng pera kahit isang goseng.
Yeah.
Kahit naman piso, hila naman silang binigay. Ito, paulan-ulan. Hi!
Here,
Kandidato, hindi man ako nakakatanggap kahit isang koseng. Hi! Yahay sila.
You need
Boto
to-
ako sa kanila kahit walang koseng. Wala akong natanggap kahit koseng na lang na isang 5 centavos. Kahit piso na lang or kahit 25 centavos, wala man akong natanggap.
here is no corruption.
Pero
Here is no
bumoto pa rin
corruption.
ako. Hi kayo.
Here is no corruption.
Yeah, there's no
But that's
corruption.
why you need thousands of money
Yeah.
when you go to vote.
No, it is not going to vote. I am not bringing money to going to vote.
Do
I
you-
am only voting even
With
without
money. With money. No.
paulan-ulan.
No corruption. No corruption.
Yeah, no corruption.
Yeah, and you have thousands of
no
money.
paulan-ulan.
Yeah, and
Wala naman akong tatanggap kahit isang kusing na lang, kahit piso na lang, kahit
Yeah.
25 centavos. Wala akong natanggap. Kaya ito, galing sa mga politiko. Binigay nila sa akin. Paulan-ulan daw to. Kahit naman piso, wala naman silang binigay.
But our money is not enough.
Yeah, it's not enough for your medicine and your foods and etc. Not enough because we are poor.
Yeah, and you hold thousands of money on your hand.
It is paulan-ulan from the candidate. But
Who is your
even
who
5
is
peso or 1 peso they are not giving to me, or even help, they are not helping me. The candidate,
who is your candidate?
No, they are
Who
not
is your
helping
candidate?
Me. That's secret.
Jaime Marcos.
That's secret. It is secret. I vote secret. Okay. So,
I
maraming
can't.
salamat guys sa panonood. See you next episodes. Bye-bye. Love you.